to change YouTube Shorts thumbnail. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail. So if you want to change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail, you have to watch this video till the end. So the YouTube Shorts are designated for vertical short form videos, which is up to like 60 seconds or less. So they are only optimized for mobile viewing. Unfortunately, YouTube does not currently allow users to change their thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. So after watching this video, you can change the YouTube Shorts thumbnail here. First of all, you have to just open up your YouTube here. Once you have opened up your YouTube, you can go for the icon to edit your video. So just go for the pause icon and you can upload your video and edit your video. So while editing your video, we could include the eye-catching image or text in the few seconds. And here you have to only focus on the strong titles and description for the next option. And after that, just go and tap on the done option here and they are processing. Here, just go for the right click option and just go for the next option. And while adding a detail, you have to improve your visibility and focus on the strong titles and description here. And after that, you can use engaging visuals from the start to ensure the automatic thumbnail is appealing. And after that, you can go for the upload short and write the description here. So this is the way how you can make your YouTube Shorts thumbnail or change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.